Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Stock Price Predictions. If y'all would, hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button. We got lots of things to talk about today that's been going on in the stock market. Talks about the recession, talks about inflation, Kathy Woods, Nancy Pelosi, Target, Walmart, all kinds of things. Inventory, what's going on in the market, Elon Musk, Tesla, AMC, crypto. So let's get into all these topics to let you guys know what's going on in the stock market and when we will see a U-turn in the market and start getting a bull run and not a bear run. Not financial advice, so do your own research when investing. Okay, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And first we're going to get into Tesla. Tesla's orders are way down. Have you guys seen this report yet? If you have, let me know in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. But by this time this year, out of the last 2 years, Tesla would have already had 500 orders. This quarter, Tesla does not have 500. They are only at around 250 orders for the quarter. That is way down. It's 50% down. From the last 2 years, they would have already be at 500 orders. Right now, they're only at 250 orders. So that's not good for Tesla. Is that going to hurt Tesla's earnings? Yes. Can they rebound from it? Yes. Do I still think it's a good buy, Tesla? Yes. Okay, Shanghai was locked down. It is reopened now, so hopefully they can start producing. But the orders are not coming in. They are down 50%. That's huge. Okay, that can really hurt Tesla. So hopefully they can do what they need to do to fix this problem, because that's a major loss. Also, the time to wait to order your Tesla, when you order one, right now is over 6 months. That's the longest it has ever been. So the production is slowing down. You're having to wait 6 months for your Tesla Model Y. Before, the wait time was usually around 3 months. It's down to 6 months, and the orders are drying up. Not good. Not really signs of a recession, but it does point to a recession. When you're looking for a recession, you're not really looking at Teslas. You're looking at other things, and we can get into that. Right now, Target, Walmart, their traffic is down 30%, okay? Their inventory is up 60%. They're getting the inventory. They have inventory, but the traffic coming into the stores is down 30%. So we have 60% more inventory, but the traffic's down 30%. So it's definitely going to hurt, and that's definitely showing that inflation is coming down and is going to continue to come down, because inflation is up, less people are in stores, less people are buying. The stores are having to put lower prices and put items on sale. Now, if you walk through any stores, any Target, Walmart, you will see, and what I really noticed and paid attention to was all the TVs that were on sale. Lots of TVs were on sale for 20% off, 30% off. Lots of clothing was on sale for 20% off, 30% off. That's a sign that people are not buying right now. People are not shopping. People are not spending. And that the inventory is staying and they can't get rid of it, so they're lowering prices. Okay, both of their stocks, Walmart and Target, were both down 5% today. It fell actually over 7% and came back up. It was only down 5%. So these numbers are not good, and the reason why this came out is because of this guidance that Target came out with today. Very weak guidance. They're not selling as much, so inflation's starting to come down, and guess what that means? That means we are, in my opinion, already in a recession. Spending's going down. It's probably going to go down next quarter, which means inflation will come down. But the good thing about that is, when inflation goes down, the stock market and the Fed will make a U-turn. And when that happens, it stops becoming so aggressive, the stock market will go into a bull run. Money will start flowing back into the stock market. Now, remember, when recession and bad times are coming, stock market always gets hit first, but then it always turns around first, okay? So stock market definitely got hit first this year. So it's going to turn around first. I believe we're at the bottom, and I believe it's going to turn around soon, very soon. CPI report comes out Friday. I'm betting it's going to be a good report. I'm betting that inflation is going to be coming down. The only thing that won't be coming down are, say, like airline travel, due to gas prices. You know, that's going to keep that up. But most things will be coming down, other than things that rely on oil, gas, stuff like that. But the CPI report will be out Friday. I'm expecting a green day. If that CPI report's good, 8:30 Eastern time on Friday, if it's a good inflation report, the market's going to go on a rally. I really think it is. I just looked at a graph, and it did show lots of things coming down. Lumber's coming down. Many other things are starting to come down. So lumber's a huge one. Oil prices are actually starting to come down. They've peaked. You know, used cars are coming down. So it's really starting to come down, which is good. So when that happens, Fed can be less aggressive and start putting money back into the market, which would be great. The housing market is still expecting to fall, which that usually comes after the stock market falls, which that's kind of happening right now. Housing sales were down 16% in May. So housing sales is already starting to come down, which is good because they were way too expensive. So it's good to see they're actually finally starting to come down. Nancy Pelosi, she put $100 million call on Apple, $100 million call on Microsoft. So she's starting to think that it's time for the big tech to turn around and make a comeback. So let's see what happens. Did you guys see that? You know, the big bet she's putting in, big calls in Apple and Microsoft, you know, 200 million all together. So she's usually right when it comes to the stock market and what to buy. So I hope she's right this time because I'm ready for them to turn around. I'm ready for the investments I have in index funds and the S&P 500 to make a turnaround. Apple and Microsoft's heavily weighted in those. So when those start to move, you know, my investments that I have in index funds will start to go back up, which can't wait for. So hope you guys like this video, and please hit that subscribe button, and I'll make another video later, and I'll see y'all on the next one.